Hello, it's me, Mila Rose, and I'm back for another video. So I just finished my June 1st paycheck budget and realized I put it in the wrong section, so now I'm annoyed because I like having things so I can just look down and be like, this is all in one account and this is another account. So now I'm annoyed because I have to do it in a separate way. So I'm just gonna get started, honestly, so I can get done because I'm a little annoyed. So this paycheck, this is gonna be my second paycheck for the second half of the month, and it's 1731. And here are our expenses. So we have mortgage, the other half of the mortgage comes out of this one, and that's 468 that's left. We get envelopes, 300. AT&T gets 71. My handwriting is atrocious. Let me try to go slower. Geico, that didn't get much better, gets 183. T-Mobile is 181. Gem, which I still have, unfortunately, is 11. Netflix is 17. Home is 60. Emergencies, oopsie, gets 100. House, oh, I did home already. Okay. NTTA gets 40. This is the one where I have to bootleg it. Cushion gets 10. Adobe gets 25. Electricity gets 120. Water gets 91. Business gets 40. And the DAQ Visa gets an extra $15 payment. But that's nice. I must be working on paying that down. I've forgotten that I've done that. Let's go add this up and make sure that it adds up correctly. So we get 468 plus 300 plus 71 plus 183 plus 181. Make that right. There we go. Okay. Plus 11 plus 17 plus 60 plus, plus 100 plus 40 plus 10 plus 25 plus 91 plus 40 plus 15. Okay, we're a little off. So let me go through my numbers. Feel like I'm probably missing something. Well, cushion is only supposed to be 9, so that's interesting. I actually had more money on there than what's supposed to be. So let me start over again. 468 plus 300 plus 71 plus 183 plus 181 plus 11 plus 17 plus 60 plus 100 plus 40 plus 9 plus 25 plus 120 plus 91 plus 40 plus 15. Perfect. Okay, 1731, 0 left over. All right, so we will go through and we will get through the month and then we'll see how this goes. I'm excited to have that extra 15. I didn't realize that was a thing, so that will help me to get that paid down faster, and then I will be done with that and able to move that money over to do something else with it. So super quick one, super fast. I have to go and fix all this. I also have to go because now I'm back to last year's budget, which should be interesting. I would like to compare some prices for things against inflation so I can see what it looked like last year and things like that. But I'm gonna redo these so that this is smaller for the first one since it's only got mortgage and envelopes, and then this section will probably be able to stay the same. And then we'll have our third paycheck still in the back. Maybe you might be able to fit it on the front now. And then we'll switch so that instead of having the second paycheck, we'll make this bigger, like using the other one. And then I'll actually start trying to follow and track the accounts and my cushions. So that should be exciting. So next month we'll have brand new sheets and all of that fun stuff ready to go. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Have a great one. Bye-bye.